Hi, good morning, and welcome back to my channel. This is NK. If you're new here, please subscribe so that you do not miss out on any of the fun activities that I do on a day-to-day. Right now, we're in Vlogmas, so happy Vlogmas, everybody. Today, I'm going to the gym. I haven't gone to the gym in over a month. I'm sad to say that, but I wasn't feeling well, and I always know that I shouldn't push myself, especially like if I can avoid it. So obviously, as much as I wanted to go to the gym, it wasn't an absolute need, of course, and being healthy means taking a step back when I know that I need to listen to my body. But I feel pretty good today. I woke up a lot earlier than usual. I didn't feel groggy. I got some work done on the earlier side, so I just feel like I need to go to the gym, and I really want to. So we're gonna go to the gym. You're gonna come along with me. I'm gonna get ready and then go to the gym. And I'm trying out technically a new gym, but I've been there before, but I haven't been there in a while. But I will show you guys what it looks like. It's a really nice gym. Like I said in my last vlog, I believe, definitely I've been having random bouts of like not feeling very great, like in my mental state, but thankful for therapy, thankful for some tips and tricks I've learned to recenter myself when I don't feel great. And I always know that working out does make me feel a lot better. No matter what, working out is a really good device for me to just leave all my stressors wherever they were and to come to a space where I'm focusing on myself and my health. So I'm really looking forward to it. Okay, this might be better lighting. This is the Gym Fit. This is from Amazon. These are from Third Love. They sent them over. They're 8-inch biker shorts. And then I have my Nikes. You can see that. I'm in the bathroom, but it does have better light. So I feel ready. We're gonna head out. So we'll see you in the next clip. results to go to the gym and feel really good about it. And I'm sweating so much, but in the best way. I love when I sweat, working out. So day 1 is done, and I'm proud of myself. Now I'm going to go rest up. I think I pulled my hamstring, so I need to go stretch, but looking forward to continuing this on. So it's once a month, or not once a month. I got a month pass. So I will reassess at the end of the month if I'm going to get a renewed pass. So stay tuned to see if I do. Walking away from the gym now, I've just left. The feeling of going to the gym is honestly so unparalleled. I feel so much better. All the worries that I had kind of have subsided, which is great. And I'm clear-minded and ready to take on the day. So this is your sign to get out there and do some exercise, because honestly, it's really good for you.